Hello team, today's challenge is BMI Calculator, where we're given a weight and height in imperial measures, and we need to calculate the body mass index according to this formula. Divide weight by height squared, and then multiply the result by 703, right? Should be able to get that done pretty quick. We jump over here. I'm going to bring that in as a comment so that we have it, and then we can do it. So it's going to be BMI, just like this. We're going to set up that should be an equal, thank you. The weight, just like this, divided by height squared, right? So it's height squared. This is how we do it in JavaScript. That's the word that I'm looking for there. And then multiplying by 703. The other thing that they want is they want to round it to one decimal place. So the quickest way to do that without creating a whole other thing, because like we don't need to do that today, is we take that BMI, multiply it by 10, which shifts the decimal place, right? That's what we're doing. We're shifting the decimal place by one place, and then we do our rounding. So right here we go math.round, and then divide by 10 to shift that decimal place back, which gives us one decimal place, at which point it works, okay? Quick update or a quick thing about 703, because you might be wondering, where does 703 come from, right? Or maybe you don't, and I'm just openly teaching you, okay? Well, that is right here. I'm going to bring this in. That's because BMI works on metric. That's the whole system here. So metric is kilograms and meters. If you do kilograms divided by meters squared, that gives you BMI just like that. But because of the conversion, we need to do all that. So right here we go, if we just did it at 1 pound and 1 inch, right? Then we get that ratio, which is 703. So 1 pound divided by the conversion to kilograms, which is 2.2 and a bunch, divided by 1 inch, divided by 39.37 and a bunch. That's the conversion to meters. We do all that, and it comes out to 703, right? That's kind of how it works. And we need that because these numbers, the weight and height in pounds and inches, the math is going to be hugely variant. As an example, a 2-meter person, right? That's 79 inches. 79 squared is over 6,000. Right? Which makes this this ratio tiny when you take that weight in pounds, right? If the pounds was like 170 divided by 6,000 is going to be super, super tiny. And so we need to change it back up. Whereas if it was 77 kilograms, right? 77 kilograms and 2 meters, well, 2 meters squared is 4. So 77 divided by 4 gives us the same thing directly. Right? And that's kind of where this magic number comes from. So in case you were wondering, there it is. But for today, it's just a little bit of math, right? We do some creative rounding to get to one decimal place, and the whole thing just works, okay? Did you go a different way? Did you like this? Did you hate it? Let me know in the comments. Otherwise, today this has been BMI Calculator, and I will see you in the next one.